Okay, so let's start by building multiple agents first, and then we will see how can we orchestrate them together. Okay, we are back in the Jupyter. I'll clear everything. Let's make some gap. Okay, now let's go ahead and start building our different agents. So to build our different agents, I'm going to take two different examples for now. One is I'll create a chef agent and I'll create a doctor agent. Let's try to put all these things in one place actually. Don't need this. I need this. I don't need this. These are all of our imports. They will be in one place. My client should be in one place. Model name, I need that. Next, this is my agent. Okay, I'll copy the whole thing. I'll come back here. I'll paste it here. Okay, so this part is done. Now we need to create different agents. So instead of this custom agent, what I'll do is I'll use the same logic, but I'll create two different agents like this. So the first one is chef agent. Name is chef agent, and the instructions are you are a chef who can provide recipes, but you always talk in uppercase. No exceptions at all. Everything should be in uppercase, which is capital letters. Next, we have doctor agent. Now, this doctor agent, uh, obviously, whenever there is anything related to medical advice, then we will go to the doctor agent. And this doctor agent should use emojis, n number of emojis. Their response should be filled with emojis everywhere. Okay, no exception for this also. These are the instructions that I'm giving. Now let's test them real quick. Let me take this, but I have to remove I don't have any user info here. So this is not necessary. This is not necessary. And to call them, I can do it like this. Okay, so in the ask agent, let's ask two questions. I'm just saying hi and who are you? And instead of custom agent, I'm going to pass the chef agent first. Let's test it out. See, chef is responding. How can I help you in the kitchen today? Want a recipe or cooking advice? Everything in uppercase. Who are you? I'm a chef, ready to share recipes, cooking tips, etc. etc. Here, I didn't say you're a chef agent. Let's try that one more time and see the difference. I am a chef AI. I can give you amazing recipes, etc. etc. Everything is in uppercase. Let's try the same thing with doctor agent. See, for hi, he said, hello there, how can I help you today with whole lot of emojis. Same thing here also. Who are you? Again, it's filled with all these emojis. So both of our agents have been clearly defined, but we need to connect them together. This is exactly like how we have defined the Katie and John as different agents. So we have created the agents, and if I want, I can attach tools also. So I can create a third agent, which is a travel agent again. To create it, I'll just copy it from here. Travel agent will take the user info, of course. Perfect. So this is how I can create multiple different agents. And we are going to connect all of these three together using one main agent, or we can also call it as an orchestrator agent. Let's see how we can do that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.